Hi everyone, my name is Mike. So we're finishing our basement here. This is our second basement that we've done so far. I wanted to walk you through the steps from the beginning all the way to the end. So actually finishing a basement like this doesn't start in the basement at all. It actually starts outside. So first thing you want to do, you're going to go outside. You want to stop any water coming in. So with this house, when we moved in, we had a lot of bad grading issues. So a lot of the grade was coming towards the house. So I got a couple yards of topsoil, put the topsoil all around the house. You want to have at least the grade about at least 5 feet out. You want it grading away from the house. You'll know if you have a grading issue if it rains. You want to look around whenever it rains, and if you have any standing water next to your foundation, it's a pretty good sign that you have a grading issue. So start there, get the grading corrected. Once you get the grading corrected, then move on to your gutters. You want to have all your gutters away from the house. You want the water away from the house. So that's the first thing you want to do. And you want to do this probably 6 months before you plan on even finishing anything in your basement, because you want to, especially if you're getting any water in your basement, you want to make sure that water gets away from the house. Once you get through that stage, the next stage, with then moving inside would be your sub pump. So make sure your sub pump's working. If you don't have a sub pump and you are having water issues after you do the grading, you do the gutters, maybe you have to look into putting a sub pump in. They may have to put a perimeter drain in, which we already have here, so we didn't have to do that. But you're going to want to get a sub pump. And then you're going to want to wait another few months, another good couple storms, to make sure you still don't have any water problems. You want to make sure that you have no water coming into your basement before you do anything. You want to get all of those resolved. There's other things you could do if you have cracks and you're still getting just a little bit of seepage in. You can use hydraulic cement. It's available at all the stores. Just buy the biggest jug you can get, put it up. Maybe I'll do a video on that, but it's very simple to use. Also, I recommend if you're going to finish your basement, also get a backup sub pump. So I haven't put that in yet, but maybe I could do a video on that. But we have the backup battery and the backup system there. So in case your primary pump loses power because of a power outage, you have something to back it up. Okay. So once you basically resolve the water issues, and make sure you don't have any water issues, then you can move on to the next step, which will be the next video.